Hi friends, welcome to Mindful Cooking at Geetha's Kitchen. Today we are going to make rice kheer or palpayasam. For making palpayasam, we need only 5 ingredients: rice, milk, sugar, butter and cardamom. We need broken brown matta rice or payasam rice to make this payasam. You can get this in any Indian store. Today we are going to make 8 quarts of payasam that will serve about 35 to 40 people. Take 1.5 cups of broken rice, and cook the rice thoroughly using a pressure cooker or instant pot. Boil 1 gallon of whole milk. This is about 3.75 liters of whole milk. I used milk cooker and a big pot to boil the milk. Mix the boiled milk together in a big pot and add the cooked rice. Make sure you don't leave any rice lumps in the milk. Mix it thoroughly. Let the milk boil with the rice for about 10 minutes. If you find any rice lumps, please break it using a spoon. Add 4 to 4.5 cups of sugar to the boiling rice milk mix. Adjust the quantity of the sugar based on your taste. This payasam was really sweet and we liked it. Let this mix boil for about 40 to 45 minutes. Keep stirring to avoid sticking to the bottom of the vessel. Taste the payasam and adjust the sugar quantity. Add the cardamom powder to taste. I added about 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder. Add butter. I added about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. After 40 to 45 minutes, the payasam will get thickened and the color will change to light pinkish. Now our payasam is ready. Let the payasam sit for a while. It will get thickened and it will taste better too after cooling down. Enjoy the payasam with your friends and family. Please like and subscribe to Geetha's Kitchen. Please leave comments. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.